all I know. That's our baby.
Am I green yet?
Green with envy of this piece of not man meat.
Woman meat.
Sexy meat, that's what it is.
I'm sexy.
Lots of it there too. Look at that meat. Meat!
Okay, those pants are kind of cute on you.
I can't say like them because they were too big.
Well, they are too big.
Well, no, it's too big. Your ego. Your what?
Nothing.
Your shoes. Your shoes are too big.
Yo mama.
Your mama.
Yo mama.
Yeah.
Yo mama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. One. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get her done. You win the game?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we're gonna go to the other. Trying to get a sneak peek at my mood. This is my mood. Smiley face. That's how I feel. I feel smiley face. I'm falling. Where'd our dog go? Oh. Pretty bird!
It was a pretty bird!
I was doing that to my birds all yesterday when I was changing their newspaper. Okay, well, no, it's weird. I forgot to change it for a long time, and then when I went to change it, only one side had crap on it, the other side had empty seed shells. Yeah, my birds are over compulsive.
Say bye-bye. Oh.
Bye-bye! Is it still going?
Yeah.